Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be basically pulling the car apart, the 240, to get it torn apart so I can get the RB20 out of it. So basically I'm going to be pulling the body kit off, side skirts, front bumper, bash bar, front fenders, the hood. I think that's pretty much about all I'm going to do today. And I got to kind of go find a place. Probably going to take all that crap over to my dad's house to store it because he's got a bunch of room at his house to leave all the body kit and everything laying there so it doesn't get broken in my garage or in my spare room or whatever. But yeah, let's do one more quick look at it before I tear it apart. It'll be the last time that this is together, probably for the next month or two until the 1JZ is all done. But alright guys, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. Well, front bumper's all torn off now. Big old bash bar that fits real tight in the front bumper. Looks goofy, but it works good. It's really looking good. Too bad it's coming out. Oh well. Bigger, better things coming. One fender down. Sorry for the fan. It's hot in this garage. It's like 100 degrees out today. Well, back to it. Alright, all torn apart in the front. Dash bar is off, front fenders are off. I gotta pull the hood off still, forgot about that. Yeah, intercooler's next. And then I gotta go get some type of container for coolant because I only have a small little oil pan and it's gonna get used for dumping the transmission gear oil, so yeah. Alright guys, so I took a little break. I'll unplug this fan because it's loud. So yeah, where I left off was basically I got most of the front clip all apart. Well, I did. Fenders, bash bar, front bumper. I still got to pull the hood off. Probably gonna wait till I can have somebody help me take that off because it's kind of flimsy since it's all cut out. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna start pulling the intercooler off, and then I may jack it up in the air so I can start pulling the drive shaft and exhaust and everything off. I'm gonna put you guys back on a time lapse. My battery died, so I don't know. Some of the stuff got cut off. I wasn't paying attention when it died. Anyways, I try to keep all my hardware together. Use these magnetic trays, or basically put the hardware back onto whatever it came off of. That way you can keep track of it. It's just kind of my personal thing how I do it. Anyways, intercooler is all off. Upper radiator supports off. So a couple little brackets here for my intercooler I need to take off. Besides that, there's not much else I'm going to take off today. I might take off the catch can, the lines off, and then start taping up, you know, the inlet, or the taping off all the holes and everything everywhere so nothing gets inside. But yeah, I think that's about it for now. Everywhere. I know I'm about to get shit for this. I'm using a crescent wrench, a non-AN crescent wrench to start taking things apart. That's alright. Not that tight anyways. See, I don't know, I'm trying to find a good spot for you guys. Guess I'll just hold it. Ooh. Come on. Alright, I put you guys down somewhere. Stay. Alright, there it is. All done. Man, this thing is getting to be bare. At least what I'm used to. A few more things I can pull off, and then that'll be it for the day. Alright, gonna pull off the base of the feed line for the power steering. This should be fun. Be nice and messy. Yeah. I always wanted to change this hose out and get some type of like hydraulic line in place of it, or even a correct line, not a freaking 5/8 fuel line. Never did though. I've replaced it. I ended up replacing it like 3 different times. The same one, and every time it got hot it would start to boil over, and you can see all the nastiness all over it. Rag. But I guess it worked for the time being. It's all slippery. It's gross. Should put some gloves on. Come on. Tell this hose hasn't been off in a while. Alright. This isn't working. Try something else. Hey, what's going on, guys? That last clip was like 2 or 3 months ago. I had to pull the RB20 out real quick. The guy that was buying the RB20 basically had to come get it that day. Otherwise I was gonna have to wait like a week or 2, and I needed the money to go buy the 1JZ. So yeah, that last clip I think was trying to pull off the power steering feed line. I ended up having to cut it off. It was like melted to the power steering pump. Anyways, I just wanted to talk about the car a little bit, 240, give a little update on it since I haven't filmed anything and posted anything about it. I've done a lot to it in the last couple months, and I wish I would have filmed most of it, but it's just so hot that I just want to listen to music and get things done to the car. But anyways, let me flip you guys around here. This is what it looks like right now, the engine bay. I've basically cut the old tubs out, drilled out all the spot welds, fabricated my own tubs, basically used trailer fender, just cut it in half, then trimmed it down to size. In hindsight, I wish I would have left most of the factory stuff there instead of cutting the whole thing out like I did and making my own sides and bottom and everything. I wish I would have just cut out just the fender itself and then fitted the trailer fender to it. But yeah, I mean, it came out pretty good. Not too bad for my first time doing tubs like that, and especially having to fabricate it all myself. I'm in the process of rewiring it all right now too, so. But yeah, it's all painted. Not too much else I've done. It's just it was a lot of tedious work. I've went through and I painted everything, the cross member, put new energy suspension, rack bushings, painted the steering shaft, put a new ISR solid bushing in there because the old one was falling apart. I got new lower control arms because my ball joints were shot, and for the same price as buying ball joints, I basically could buy a full set, or a set of lower control arms painted and ready to go, so that was a no-brainer, I guess. But I'm just slowly kind of piecing it back together. New booster, brake booster, because my last booster, after I pulled it off, was full of brake fluid, and it was basically trash, and I was kind of having issues with my brakes, and that was the problem. So I did that, got a new booster, painted it, and then I found out that my reservoir was cracked, or was getting ready to crack. It was all dried out. So I got a new reservoir, and then I bought the GK Tech, or not GK Tech, I'm sorry, the Chase Bays brake brake line relocation kit. So it just runs around, goes into the rear brake, passenger, and then also on the driver's side. That made it really nice. It looks really clean. Got rid of all the lines that are up top on the firewall. I'll be running my own fuel lines for the JZ, so I don't have anything up there for that. I don't know, there's not much else. I haven't done anything on the inside. Finished my wheels, they're just kind of chilling out inside the car. I don't know, I don't think there's really anything else as an update for it. I did pick up a 1JZ, so there's that. I didn't have it last time I filmed. I also got my 350Z transmission. Gonna be using a Maverick adapter. It's the same thing as a Collins, just they're local to me and I like to support local companies. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So, I mean, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff.